Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a different kind of video. I figured it'd be fun to go back in time, you guys, when Lily first started crafting. And when I say this, I mean I had a small desk in my bedroom with small little gift boxes filled with some stash, some papers. I had a printer. I would print out everything, you guys. I was obsessed with digital paper. I would be stuck on Snap Click Supply, which I still go on every now and then. I'm gonna have the links down below. And I would print out everything, even ephemera, and I would hand cut everything because I did not have a cutting machine, a Cricut, a Silhouette. I didn't have any of that. I didn't have a Cuttlebug. So I would hand cut everything. And you guys, I don't even know how my fingers withstood all that, because I would hand cut so many pieces. I would make ephemera packs of over 100 pieces and hand cut these things. And I would post it on Instagram and they would call me the fussy cutter queen. Just crazy things. If you guys have been following me since the beginning, you know that I used to fussy cut like crazy. And I figured, let me do a video because I was cleaning out my closet. You guys know I've cleaned my craft room, and I found some projects, you guys, that I made when I first started back in 2016. And these were all inspired by Sabrina Ann, which I'll have linked down below. She was like my #1 inspiration for pocket letters, for flip books, and all this stuff. And these are the things that she would make and I would recreate. And you guys, I look at it now and I cringe, and that's just because I've evolved so much as a crafter that looking at this stuff, I'm just like, oh my gosh, people actually wanted these things from me. And it's nice to look back. So I figured, since I found these 4 little pieces, I'd show you guys what I made. Now, granted, there's some things missing because I think I pulled off some stuff, or things fell off because it's been a while. I think, I'm not sure if I just had it this plain, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. This is a flip book that I made, and this is the cover. It's kind of like a file folder flip book. And I think that if you go back on my channel, I might have a video. I'm not sure if I was doing videos at that time. I don't think so, because I started doing videos in 2018 or 17, late 17. I'm not sure. But look, you guys, see, this is all stuff that as you can see, I don't have that perfectness from my Cricut. It's just me hand cutting it, just putting stickers, making little, I would cut these myself. This is all just printed out paper. This is actually from Michael's that I remember. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Has like a little pocket. Like, you guys, I was super simple. A little doily I just put here, some ribbon I cut. Look at my rosettes. It's nice to see how much, you know, you grow throughout time. Look at this, you guys. That's crazy. I would never do that like nowadays. Just the crafter that I am right now, I would never like put something like that. That's crazy. But you guys, we all start somewhere, you know, and we just kind of like evolve and change and grow. This is so simple to me. Why did I throw a random hashtag there is beyond me. But I was just trying to get in the groove of things. I wanted to be part of the community, and you know, this is a good way to show you guys that I also started just the way you guys are starting. And you know, a lot of yous tell me, oh, I'm a beginner and I feel like I don't know how to do it, but you'll get there. This is pretty decent. This side right here is a little pocket, and then I just put a bunch of cutter parts. These are things you see that they're printed, and I just cut and made like my own little journaling cards. And then I don't know what I did here, but this is like a little doily. And then there's like a little pocket here. I think yeah, the little pocket here where you can put like stuff. I don't know if there's anything in here. No, it's just like a blank card. And then you put this way. No, this one goes up this way. And then this one opens up this way. And it has like little ephemera pieces that I cut out. I would find these on Pinterest and print them out. And then I have a doily. These are like cutter parts from a fall paper pad from Michael's. These I would also find on Pinterest and just cut them out. So that's this little book, you guys. And then I would make little pocket letters like this. This is like little personal ones. Sabrina Ann has a little tutorial on this. Let me see if I can open it up. And this is what that looks like. Very simple, you guys. I was very simple. I was trying out to figure out my style, trying to just learn how to do these things. Very simple. If you guys know, back in the day, it wasn't the way it is now. Back in 2016, it was very simple and it was okay. Now it's like super embellished and stitching and all this stuff, and you know, sometimes you're like, oh my gosh, it's so much to keep up with. These are one of my favorite books that I used to love making, and these are like bigger style file folders. You guys know I love me my owls. So these little collections, these little kits, I would buy them on Etsy, and it was just paper, you guys, and the little digis where you can print them out, like a little owl, nothing big. So I would print out like the flowers or just whatever came in that little kit, the elements. And look, you guys, these are all little like girls that I found on Pinterest. I remember having something here, I just don't know what happened to it, but isn't this crazy, you guys? How different to the way I craft today it looks. I love this bow. And then look at this one right here. This side right here opens up. Let me do this better. Opens up like that. And then I had like where you would put your card for your pen pal. And then I had like little pockets here. So crazy. Look at that. I had little corners. And then just on the opposite side, I have like a little sticker that says handmade. But this was made out of regular yellow manila folders. And these were like my favorite to make. And then I made this one for Halloween. As you can see, all printed out stuff. This was all printed out and resized. And then when you open it up, it looks like this right here. I used to love printing out vintage Halloween. This is another collection that I had found on either Google or on Etsy. I used to find tons of printables for free, you guys. So if you guys don't have any, like, don't want to purchase digitals or can't purchase digitals at the moment, there's tons of free paper online, you guys. I used to do it all the time. Look at that. I fussy cut that. That's so funny. Look at that. I would be so picky right now. My OCD would kill me. I would want it to be exactly following her cut, you know? Look at that. A little spider web. Ooh, I can use this. Let me put that aside. And I like this little umbrella. This little broom. So cute. But yeah, you guys, I thought it would be fun to show you guys. Oh, I put a little black heart here in the back. To show you guys how I used to craft back in 2016, how I once was a beginner as well. And we all start somewhere. This is what my stuff used to look like. And I am where I am today because I just kept practicing, I kept trying, I kept changing, I kept watching videos, I kept learning, and then I grew into my own style. But don't feel like you need to be like everyone else, that you need to do everything that everybody else is doing. We all have our own pace. We all grow in different ways. So yeah, you guys, let me know down below if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about my beginner crafts, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.